chemistry subject standard 8 chapter is structure. Now this is part 3, electronic configuration. What is the electronic configuration? Electronic configuration means distribution of electron around the nucleus. How the electrons are distributed in a different cell or energy levels around the nucleus. For example, calcium. Calcium atomic number is 20 and atomic mass is 40. Mass number is 40. So 20 means number of electron or number of proton. So electron is 20. So how these 20 electrons are distributed around the nucleus? This is the question. So this is known as electronic configuration of calcium having 20 electrons. So 20 electrons are distributed in different ways. So calcium and also another also sodium. Sodium having 11 electrons. How the sodium is distributed? Sodium electron is distributed around the nucleus. This 11 electron is distributed in different ways. So different energy levels in sodium atom. Sodium having first energy level K cell, second energy level L cell, third energy levels M cell. The maximum capacity of K cell is 2. So 2 electrons is accommodated in K cell, N cell, L cell containing 8 electron, M cell containing 1 electron. So total is 11 electron. 2 plus 8 plus 1. So this is the valency cell. So this valency cell contains 1 electron. Same thing also, calcium having 20 electron. How the electrons are distributed? K cell containing n is equal to 1. I had already told you, according to Bohr's atomic model, according to 2n square rule, 2 into 1 square, 1 square, this is 2 electron. Maximum electron capacity of K cell is 2, second is 8 and third is 18. But instead of 18, third cell contain 8 electron. So fourth cell, this is N cell, and fourth cell contain 2. So calcium, the electronic configuration 2, 8, 8 and 2. So the valency cell contain 2 electron. In calcium, the valency cell contain 2 electron. So another way, the valency. What is valency? The combining capacity of an element is known as valency. What is the combining capacity? For example, hydrobromide. Hydrobromide, the bromine combine one hydrogen, so the valency of bromine is 1. So one hydrogen is combined by bromine, so the valency of bromine is 1. And same thing also ammonia. Ammonia means consists of 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atom. The how many hydrogen atom is combined with nitrogen atom? 3 hydrogen atom is combined with 1 nitrogen atom. So that the nitrogen valency is 3. So here 2 examples are giving. Same thing also HCl. Chlorine contain 1 hydrogen atom. Chlorine valency 1, bromine valency 1 and nitrogen valency is 3. So different compound having showing different valency. And also another example is also given. Another for example, calcium oxide. For example, calcium oxide. In calcium oxide, how many oxygen atom? So oxygen valency is 2. So 1 oxygen atom is combined with 1 calcium atom. So due to 2 valence electron is present and 2 valence is 2. So calcium same thing also, calcium valency is 2. So another thing also, noble gas. What is noble gas? Noble gas means those elements having inert in character. In normal condition, these are not react with other element to form a compound. These are noble gas or inert gas. That means they are attaining inert gas character and stable electronic configuration. Except helium, the noble gases are neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. And all these elements except helium having valence electron, 8 electron in valency cell. Valency cell means last cell means valency cell. Valency cell contain 8 electron. All the neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, all these elements having 8 electron in the valence shell or last shell containing 8 electrons, so that they are inert in character. This is the only reason those elements having 8 electron in their valence shell except helium, these are known as inert in character. Inert means they are not normal condition, they are not react with other element to form compound. This is known as inert gas. Then another valence also, how many electron donated or accepted. How many electron donated, accepted by an atom to achieve nearest inert gas configuration is known as valency. So of that atom, for example sodium containing having 11 electron. How these electrons are distributed, this is electronic configuration, I had already told you. So 11 electrons is distributed 2, 8, 1. So valence shell contain 1 electron. So the number of electron contained in valence shell, this is known as valency. So 1 electron contained in sodium atom, so the valency is 1. So chlorine also same thing, 7 electron valence shell. This will require 1 electron. To attain nearest inert gas configuration. 7 require 1 here sodium remove 1 electron. This is require 1 electron, this is remove 1 electron. Why this is remove 1 electron? After the removing of 1 electron from sodium atom attain 8 electron in valence shell. So last shell contain, after removing of 1 electron, last shell contain 8 electron. So that this is inert gas configuration. If after the lose of 1 electron, sodium became 10 electron. 10 electron contain which element? Neon. Neon contain 10 electron. This is one of the inert gas character. So after the addition of 1 electron in chlorine atom, chlorine became how many electron? 18 electron. 18 electron, which elements having 18 electron? Argon having 8 electron. Argon is also a inert gas. After the loss of 1 electron or gain of 1 electron, each elements either sodium or chlorine. Sodium remove 1 electron, chlorine add 1 electron. After the remove of 1 electron, this became 2, 8, and after add of 1 electron, this became 2, 8, 8. Okay, these two elements after the loss or gain of 1 electron each, and they are acquired nearest inert gas configuration, which sodium became neon electronic configuration and chlorine became argon electronic configuration. Both are attached to each other to form NaCl also. In this way, so sodium can donate 1 electron and to previous cell became 8 electron, and this is the stable electronic configuration. Chlorine accept 1 electron, 7 plus 1 electron, this is 8 electron in valency shell and stable. So valency of sodium is 1 and chlorine valency is also 1. So another things also, the covalency bonding, chemical bonding, how chemical bond arises in between two or more atoms. In two ways, basically two ways, by transference of electron or mutual sharing of electron in between two or more electron, they are form a chemical bond. They are form a chemical bond. So first thing is electrovalent or electrovalency. Second one is covalency. What is electrovalency? The transference of one electron from one atom to other atom. Each atom attain nearest inert gas configuration. But the transference of electron from one atom to another atom, one atom became positive charge, other atom became negative charge. This is known as electrovalent bond. Only transference of electron from one atom to other atom. In case of calcium oxide, you see sodium chloride, formation of sodium chloride and formation of a magnesium chloride. These three compounds are giving electrovalent bond. How to electrovalent bond is formed? One example is formation of sodium chloride. Formation of sodium chloride. Here you see sodium having 11 electron. So after the loss of transference, loss means transfer of 1 electron to here, sodium became 10 electron. So 10 electron and also 11 proton. After the loss of one electron, sodium became positive charge because one proton is excess. Because sodium is neutral, after the loss of one electron, sodium became 10 electron and 11 proton. Sodium became positive charge. Okay, sodium became positive charge, and gain of one electron, sodium became 18 electron. Gain of then sodium chlorine, after gain of one electron by chlorine atom, chlorine became minus charge and 18 electron. So add up one electron here also. So here is in inert gas configuration, sodium became inert gas configuration 2,8 neon electronic configuration, and chlorine became argon electronic configuration. So Na plus and Cl minus, due to Coulombic force of attraction, they are close to each other to form sodium chloride molecule. Sodium chloride molecule. This type of bond is known as electrovalent bond. Same thing also in calcium oxide. Calcium having how many electron? 20 electron. The first cell, K cell. This is K cell contain 2 electron, 8 electron, 8 electron, 2 electron. I had already told you according to electronic configuration. Oxygen having how many electron? 2 and 6. After the removal of one electron from calcium to sodium, calcium to oxygen, calcium became plus 2 charge. Calcium became plus 2 charge. Then how many electron here? 18 electron. 18 electron is nearest inert gas configuration is argon. After the gain of 2 electron, oxygen atom, oxygen became plus 2. This is minus 2 charge, and oxygen became neon electronic configuration. So one is argon electronic configuration, other is neon electronic configuration. One is plus 2 charge, other is minus 2 charge. Due to Coulombic force of attraction, this will be formed calcium oxide molecule. This type of bond is formed is known as electrovalent bond. Another compound covalent bond. Another compound electrovalent magnesium chloride. Magnesium having 12 electron. This is electronic configuration 282, and chlorine is 2 chlorine atom. Chlorine is 287. So here excess 2 electron is here. After the loss of 2 electron, this became Mg plus 2. Individually 2 chlorine atom. Magnesium transfer 2 electron from 2 chlorine atom. One is shifted here, another is shifted here. One is minus 1. One chlorine atom gone 1 electron. You see, this became 18 electron. This became 18 electron. This also became, after gain of 1 electron, this became 18 electron. After the loss of 2 electron, individually, magnesium became Mg plus 2, and 2 chlorine atoms separately collected 2 electron from 1 magnesium atom. Magnesium became Mg plus 2, chlorine became Cl minus 1 individually. So due to Coulombic force of attraction, 2 chlorine atom attracted to 1 magnesium atom. Individually, magnesium became neon electronic configuration, chlorine became argon electronic configuration. So both of them are formed magnesium chloride. Compound is formed magnesium chloride. Another bond is known as covalent bond. This is covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Covalent bond is nothing but by the mutual sharing of electron in between 2 or more atoms to form a bond is known as covalent bond, and this is known as covalency. That means each atom attain nearest inert gas configuration. The example is giving formation of hydrogen molecule. This is homoatomic molecule. Homoatomic molecule means hydrogen having 1 electron. This contain K cell. So the valency cell contain 1 electron. When the valency cell contain 1 electron, this will be share here also, and another hydrogen atom, this will be electron share here also. This is known as bond pair of electron. And both the pair of electron are mid place in between two atoms. So this pair of electron is counted both sides, this side also and that side also. Okay, that side also. Now this is known as helium electronic configuration. Helium electronic configuration. Then another compound also, example, formation of oxygen molecule. This is also homoatomic molecule. In case of homoatomic molecule, oxygen atom contain 8 electron, 2, 4, K cell contain 2, 4, 6 and 2, 8 electron. And this oxygen atom same thing, so 2, 4, 6, 8 electron. So in valence shell contain 2, 4, 6. So remaining 2 electrons is required individually. So this will be share, this pair of electron is share here and this pair of electron is share. And both the pair of electron is known as bond pair of electron, counted both sides. This 4 electron and valence shell contain this 4. This is 8 and this pair of electron 2, 4 and a 4. This bond pair of electron is 4. 2 pair of electron is known as bond pair of electron. Both sides counted. This will consider as a 8 electron in valence shell. And both of them are attain nearest inert gas configuration. Which element? Neon electronic configuration. This 2, 2, 4 and 6, 8 and this 2, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So by the help of this mutual sharing of 2 bond pair of electron, both atom acquire nearest inert gas configuration. This is known as covalent bond. And another also heteroatomic molecules. Ammonia. Ammonia means nitrogen having 7 electron. K cell contain 2, L cell containing 5. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Then individually these 3 bond pair of electron each mutual share 3 hydrogen atom individually. 3 hydrogen atom individually share with 1 nitrogen atom. 1 pair, second pair, third pair. 3 pair of electron are known as bond pair of electron and this is known as lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron is known as counted this bond pair. So 2 plus 4 plus 2, 6 and 8 electron. So these are acquire inert gas configuration. So nitrogen individually inert gas configuration and hydrogen individually 1 electron and 1 electron. This is helium electronic configuration. This is also helium electronic configuration. This is also helium electronic configuration individually. Each hydrogen atom attain nearest inert gas configuration helium. So each having 2 electron. This hydrogen 2 electron. This hydrogen atom 2 electron. This hydrogen atom 2 electron. So individually each hydrogen atom attain 2 electron. This is known as helium electronic configuration. And nitrogen, if we consider in case of nitrogen, collectively 3 hydrogen atom, 3 bond pair of electron plus 1 lone pair of electron. Lone pair means a pair of electron which is not take part in chemical bond. This is known as lone pair. This is known as lone pair, LP. The pair of electron which is take part in bond formation, this is known as bond pair of electron. 3 bond pair of electron is present here, 1 lone pair of electron present here in ammonia molecule. So in case of this is known as heteroatomic. In case of nitrogen, formation of nitrogen molecule, 2 nitrogen atom. This is homoatomic molecule. 2 nitrogen atom are mutual share. So each nitrogen atom having 7 electron. So K cell contain 2, L cell contain 5. Here is 2 and 1, 2, 3. 3. This is bond pair of electron. So 2 nitrogen atom are mutual share. This is mutual share. This is mutual share. This is mutual share. So 3 bond pair of electron you have getting. And 3 bond pair of electron counted both sides. This sides 3 bond pair means 2, 2, 2, 6 plus 2, 8 and 2, 2, 2 and plus 2. This is 8. So individually this is mutual sharing electron is counted both sides, this side and that side. So that this will attain inert gas configuration neon. See, this is all about the electrovalent bond and covalent bond. Basically, electrovalent bonds are strong bond. Electrovalent bonds are strong bond and soluble in polar solvent, water soluble in polar solvent, that is water, and here covalent bonds are weak bond soluble in kerosene, petrol, diesel. Inorganic solvent, and these are liquid and gas. Covalent bonds are liquid and gas. Electrovalent compounds are basically solid, and strong intermolecular force of attraction in between them. Strong intermolecular space in between them. This is all about atomic structure of standard 8.